tortoises are domestic animals. Buffalo, those are domestic animals. Domestic animals. ఒక నిమిషం. Cow says, నా సౌండ్స్ చెప్పవా ప్లీజ్? Cow says moo moo. Pig says oink oink. Horse says wow. Goat says meh. Next donkey says buffalo says అంబో అంబో అలా అంటుందా బఫెలో? నెక్స్ట్ డాగ్ says cat says meow meow. This is
fish.
Very good. This is turtle. This is
rabbit.
okay. This is
Pie.
very good. These are pet animals. Dog, cat, fish, tortoise, rabbit, parrot. These are pet animals. ఇంట్లో పెంచుకుంటాం వీటిని. నెక్స్ట్ ఇవేంటి చెప్పు? Fox says